MAC address randomization, enabled by default in iOS 14, Android 10, and Windows 11, has rendered legacy Wi-Fi analytics unreliable. The same device now appears as multiple unique identities, artificially inflating visitor counts and breaking customer journey maps. Three core concepts underpin the problem. First, MAC address randomization means devices generate temporary software addresses rather than transmitting their permanent hardware identifier. Second, a device graph is the dynamic database that maps multiple randomized MAC addresses back to a single persistent user profile. Third, attach rate. The percentage of detected devices that authenticate measures your analytics data quality. Three principles restore visibility. Never trust the hardware, trust the authentication. A MAC address is now a temporary lease, so require explicit authentication to establish a reliable identity anchor. If your dashboard shows inflated footfall without corresponding sales growth, you are measuring randomized MAC addresses, not people. And if fewer than 40% of detected devices authenticate, your identity graph is too sparse for reliable analytics. Read the full guide at purple.ai.